Hi all, today I am going to show you how to download the data from Twitter to Google Sheets um, without paying any subscription. So if you don't have Microsoft 365, if you don't have Excel, if you don't want to use API, if you don't want to mess around with JSON, and you don't want to pay any premium for Power Automate to pay any premium to use Power Automate Flow, have a look at this video. So the Power Automate Flow that I use is the standard one that you can create using an email address. Google Sheets is also free. So I'm going to show you how to download all the Twitter data into a spreadsheet like this in Google. My name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. The first thing you need to know is there's a 100 tweet limit each time you search Twitter using Power Automate Flow. But you can actually schedule in Power Automate Flow to run it every 15 minutes, so you will get 400 results per hour. The first step you need to do is use this recurrence flow. So your interval, you can set it as 15 minutes, right? Or you can set it up more frequent. But you set up more frequent, you might have repetitive data. So just have a trial and see whether which interval is best suited for your search. So more popular search, you can shorten the interval. If you have specific search, you can use a longer interval. You can also set your time zone and the start time, but you can try it yourself. The second step is the search Twitter. So look for Twitter and scroll all the way down and click on search tweets. Then you can search for terms. You can search for hashtags or from username. So for this instance, I'm going to search for hashtag Ukraine. Then in the show advanced option, I'm going to put my maximum results as 100, just to remind me there's a limit of 100. Make sure that you have created a Google Sheet with the column names like mine. So the first column I put as tweeted by. Second column I put it as tweeted text. Column C, location. Then column D, created at. Make sure you change your sheet name or just remember what sheet name that you use. If you don't know how to create Google Sheet, let me just show you quickly. So you go to Google Sheet and then you just click on blank, right? Then you can create like what I have created just now over here. So first row must be the column name, right? Tweeted by, tweeted text, location, created at. This one will be generated by Power Automate, so don't bother about this column. I'm going to delete. I'm going to start from fresh. All right, you can also delete this. The third step is find Google Sheets. Then click on Google Sheets here. Then you need to use insert row. And then you pick on the file that you have prepared. And then pick the worksheet. And then it will show you the columns names that you have created in your Google Sheet here. So over here, you just select the corresponding titles or data that is downloaded from Twitter. You can see over here there's lots of types of data that you can download from Twitter. So the ones that I use is just tweeted by. So apply to each will automatically be included in your workflow for you. And the select and output from previous step is body, so it's automatic populated. So it's okay. Just click on insert row again, and then continue populating the fields. So it's tweeted by for my next second column. Sorry, is tweeted text. Then location. Then created at. Then you save. Right. I'm going to go back a bit because I think I have accidentally run something just now. So actually you can see in my test run, because I have scheduled every 15 minutes. So the first run has succeeded, and then it proceeds to the second run. So if I go back to edit, if I go back to my original spreadsheet, I'm going to delete. So I'm going to test this by clicking on test, manually, test, run flow, done. Then I'm going to go to my Google Sheets, and you can see it's starting to download the Twitter data. I am going to show you how to cancel the test. So you click on back button, and then click on the latest run, and you click on cancel and press OK. Then it says your flow run has been cancelled. I hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, please give this video a like and remember to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and feel free to get me a coffee by clicking on the PayPal link. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.